Have you ever met someone who asked you a simple question in English, and suddenly every word disappeared from your mind? You know your name, you know your city, you know your hobbies. But when it's time to speak, your confidence quietly walks away. The good news is that confidence doesn't come first. Speaking comes first. Every fluent English speaker started with simple sentences, repeated them many times, made mistakes, smiled, and kept going. So today, forget difficult grammar and complicated vocabulary. For the next few minutes, imagine that you are talking to a friendly person who wants to know more about you. Let's begin. The easiest way to talk about yourself is to think of your life like a story. Every story has a beginning. Start with your identity. You can simply say, "Hi, I'm Alex. I live in a beautiful city. I'm learning English because I want to communicate with people from around the world." That's it. No fancy words, no pressure, just simple English. Now add one more detail. Tell people what keeps you busy. Maybe you're a student. Maybe you have a job. Maybe you're creating content online. Or maybe you're simply learning new skills every day. Instead of trying to sound impressive, try to sound real. People connect with honesty more than perfect grammar. Now let's move to something everyone loves talking about. Daily life. Think about your morning. What is the first thing you do? Do you wake up early? Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you exercise or check your phone? These tiny moments are perfect English practice. You can say, "I wake up early and spend a few minutes planning my day. After breakfast, I study English and work on my goals." Simple sentences like these are powerful because they come from your real life. And real English is easier to remember. Now think about your free time. What makes you happy? Maybe you enjoy reading. Maybe you love music. Maybe you watch movies or learn new skills on YouTube. When you talk about your interests, don't stop after one sentence. Explain why. For example, "I enjoy reading because every book teaches me something new." Or, "I like watching English videos because they help me improve my listening skills." Adding a reason makes your English sound natural and meaningful. Now let's talk about something even more important: your habits. Success is often built on small daily actions. Maybe you practice English for 20 minutes every day. Maybe you write 5 new words in a notebook. Maybe you speak in front of a mirror. These habits may look small, but they create big results. Imagine saying, "I practice English every evening. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I never stop learning." That sentence shows confidence, determination, and a positive mindset. Now here's a challenge. Stop comparing yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with the person you were last month. If today you can speak one sentence more than yesterday, you're already improving. Many learners think they need perfect pronunciation before speaking, but that's not true. Children don't wait for perfect grammar. They speak, make mistakes, learn, and speak again. You can do the same. Now let's talk about dreams. Everyone has one. Some people dream of traveling. Some want a better career. Some want to study abroad. Some simply want to speak English without fear. Whatever your dream is, say it proudly. For example, "My dream is to become a confident English speaker and inspire other people to keep learning." Dreams become stronger when you say them aloud. Now think about your journey. Maybe English was difficult at first. Maybe you felt shy. Maybe you understood videos but couldn't answer simple questions. That's completely normal. Every learner faces this stage. The difference is that successful learners keep practicing even when progress feels slow. Remember this. One conversation every day is better than 1 hour of silent study. Speak to yourself. Read aloud. Repeat useful sentences. Record your voice. Little by little, your confidence will grow. Now imagine someone meeting you for the first time. Instead of worrying, smile and speak naturally. You might say, "Hello, my name is Daniel. I enjoy learning new things and improving my English every day. In my free time, I read books and watch educational videos. My goal is to become a confident speaker and communicate with people from different countries." Notice something. Nothing is difficult. Every sentence is simple, but together they create a strong introduction. That is the secret of fluent communication. Simple words, clear ideas, regular practice. Before we finish, remember these 3 rules. First, don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. Second, speak every single day, even if it's only for 5 minutes. Consistency is more important than perfection. Third, believe in your progress. You don't need to speak like a native speaker. You only need to speak better than yesterday. So, from today, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Introduce yourself. Talk about your routine. Share your hobbies. Speak about your dreams. Every sentence you say is one step closer to confidence. And one day you'll look back and realize that the fear which once stopped you has quietly disappeared. Keep practicing, keep believing, keep speaking. Because the journey to fluent English doesn't start with perfect words. It starts with one brave sentence.